Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning. We're here today doing a residential empty unit, and the carpets were pretty trashed out, but we got them nice and clean as we are using the new TMF Black Label product. Works awesome. But we've also come across, as you can see here, some wax, really hard wax. It's thick, it's about ½ inch around, and we're going to try and take care of that here today. So I'm just going to put the phone right here, and here's the spot. And all we do is we just take a you can take a wet terry towel or a dry terry towel, just place it over top the spot, take a hot iron and give it about an 8 count. Lift it, and as you can see, it's already transferring into the cloth. Try another spot. This may take a few attempts. Almost there. Pretty thick one. Little tiny bit left. Completely gone. As you can see, no wax left at all. Completely done. So, give us a call today if you'd like us to take care of any candle wax or any specialty spot treatments that you may need. 519-208-8533. And you can visit us on carmichaelcleaning.ca. Thank you and have a great day.